Hello, Jackie here. Very excited to share with you our personal private school option in Florida, Aspiring Heights Academy. This is one of many private schools you can choose from in Florida. This is particularly the one under the 600 code or something like that called umbrella schools. Now, umbrella is not an official name, but that's what we all call them. They're private umbrellas, an umbrella school in Florida. You don't have to know much more than just that. They're not a private school that we're going to, although there are those as well if you would like to go. Go to the FLDOE website, go to schools, school choice, and scroll down and you'll see private schools there, and you can see more information, a directory. You can pick one in your county if you wish. So let's go forward here at the Aspiring Heights Academy, whether you choose them or not. That's your choice. That's what's so beautiful about Florida. We have a lot of options. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. Well, actually, before I do that real quick, I am a mother of 4 kids. I got an elementary student, 2 middle school students, and 1 high school student. I'm trying to think of how many years we've been with Aspiring Heights Academy. I've lost track, probably at least 3, maybe 4. I can't remember, but even before then, we were in other options, but my kids have not felt like they've changed schools. So thankfully, what I'm doing behind the scenes as a parent with paperwork, they haven't really noticed it as a kid. So let's go ahead and dive in here. AspiringHeightsAcademy.com. Here is their website. Look at these kids. They're home, they're reading, they're doing experiments, they're outside, they're in labs, they're at the library. So as we go here, they have this wonderful updated website. If you see my other videos, I keep saying that, but it's been a necessity. You know, we are in a new era. This is summer 2020, and you desperately need to get information quick, simple, easy, and make a choice of where your child is going to school. So real quick, over here is on the right side is a new students tab. This is probably the best place to even go and start, and this will help you get started as far as if you're really like, I need to make a choice right now. This will help you with what the enrollment is all about. In short, with this school, they will report your attendance to the state, and that keeps you legal and wonderful, not truant, not in trouble with the state, excuse me. In my other videos, I mentioned that we are with the Florida Virtual School. So here on the right, again, click on this Florida Virtual tab if you're interested in that. With Florida Virtual School, FLVS, you can choose full-time, which is public. So you won't be here. You just go do the public thing, and that would be great. Or if you come here, you're going to do FLVS Flex. Flex, right? And so with that, you're basically choosing your curriculum. So Aspiring Heights Academy will be your school. You may look around and go, wait a minute, Aspiring Heights Academy is not even in my county. This isn't Sarasota County. That is fine. I can testify to that, because if you scroll down here, boop, 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 it'll tell you, well, it's on another page. It'll tell you that you pick, oh, that's on the FLVS page. You pick Sarasota County. Well, here's how to enroll. Here are the different options. You have a standard program. If you want that high school diploma, because many people say, I think I need to do FLVS public because I want the diploma. You don't have to. FLVS Flex with Aspiring Heights Academy, doing the high school diploma program, you can get that diploma. Over here, see this, diploma, official transcript, Bright Future Scholarship eligibility, all of that. So please don't feel like when you do something like this, you're gonna lose and close doors. You're actually opening more doors for you and your student. Here's all information, very simple, very easy, about required documentation. In fact, in June 2020, you kind of re-enroll every year. Well, I started to message the school and do my thing, but I thought, you know what, let me go to the website. I came here as a returning student and simply went through the checklist and got all the documents sent in, and they were so happy that everything was in and they didn't need anything corrected. There is a small fee, so let's stop here. All right, you're like, I want to do this free. I want free, get my FLVS for free, or I have my home education course, I have my curriculum, I have my books, I have my, my field trips planned. However you homeschool is your prerogative, however you want to do it. Now, home education, you can do your letter of intent with your district and be fine. They require you also not only to do your attendance, but also to get an annual portfolio review. And typically that's with typically it is with a certified teacher. Okay. Now, when I was going through it, if you have a teacher friend that would do it for you and all that, that's great. But most of them want to get paid. They have a professional license and certification that they're using for your benefit and their benefit, all these things. So it is nice to get paid for their time and their professional, whatever, license, there we go. And so when I researched this, whatever I was paying them is pretty much what I was going to pay Aspiring Heights Academy. But Aspiring Heights Academy also gives me an ID card. They also give me peace of mind of my paperwork. I don't have to worry about a portfolio review. I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to do anything other than do my annual attendance with Aspiring Heights Academy, re-enroll every year, pay my small fee, and they help and make sure I have all my other documentation done. It's awesome. So wonderful. But if you want to do home education, do letter of intent with your district, please do that. Do it by all means. Maybe, again, you have a friend that will do your annual portfolio review. Maybe you want to pay your fee to your friends that have advertised their portfolio review. You may be under another private umbrella that doesn't have a fee, and that's fine. But I will tell you, if you're with the one I'm thinking of, by all means, please donate. Please donate to your private umbrella, especially if they don't have a fee for you. There's a mountain of paperwork. There are file cabinets they have to buy. There are boxes and bins and everything that has to be kept record. And it's important that you support them. So I know if you're in a financial bind, that's why they're there and they want to support you in your free options. Believe me, I've talked to many of them. And then there's the other private umbrellas who have bigger fees because they offer the curriculum, because you can come in and you can do all these other things. So pick what works for you. And that was one little stop about the fee, because people, I included, was not happy about having fees because I have 4. So whatever it is, it's times 4. Not fun at all. So come to this website, go through it, read about it, and see if it works for you. We love it. We absolutely love, oh, I know what I wanted to tell you. We love it. The reason we love it too is because they have this Office 365 support. That means a few things. You will get a student email account. You as an educator can get one as well. Your students can get one as well. You can get teacher discounts because of your educator card. Plus, with the Office 365, she doesn't advertise it here, but she should. Let me pop over here. All right. With Office 365, you get a free Microsoft Minecraft education account. My kids love it. And the Minecraft education, if you already have purchased Minecraft, good for you and all that. But for my kids, we have old computers. I'm looking at my old laptop here. And the regular Minecraft is too much. But the Minecraft education version is a lighter version, not lighter as in less things, but it's not as heavy, intense like as a software program. Plus, it's the education. It is, as a parent, I feel safe, if you will, with it. They're building their things, they're doing so much in there. So that Office 365 account is a very big deal. And again, a steal when you pay that small, tiny fee for your school. You're getting an ID card. You're getting your attendance sent into the state. You're getting support. You're getting all this. You don't feel like you're in it alone. Because with home education, I just felt like I had to do my own paperwork. I just felt very, very lost. But having Aspiring Heights Academy at my side, I knew I wasn't going to miss a deadline or whatever piece of paper that I needed to hand in. So with the Office 365 option, it's again opens up a door. You have access to the Word, Excel, and spreadsheets. and everything. So I think that was really good to share that with you as well. Let's continue really quick and see if there's anything else I have missed. Now, Aspiring Heights Academy is not a kind of school where you're going to have field trips or, hey, we're all going to meet up. This isn't that kind of school. This is, again, a private school for you to do school however you please, because this school supports different learning. Everyone's different. All students are different. All parents are different. All resources are different, time and money. So this school supports that, in my opinion. So if you have any questions, if I didn't answer your question, please comment below, subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff. But most importantly, it has been, I don't know, I just want to jump out of the screen here, just let you know how exciting I am about Aspiring Heights Academy. They have just been wonderful to us, a great resource, and I can't say it enough. I don't get commission. I don't get paid. I'm just another mom who, honestly, I'm lazy and I'm cheap. I don't want to spend much money. So, and I want to do things right, legal, official, and things like that too. So this has been the best solution for us. We can do FLVS Flex. We have done so many courses. By the way, with that, and I will conclude, I have 4 kids. And they're all different education minds and brains and everything. And so I have one student in 1 grade, but they want to do, like, let's say I have a middle school and they want to do a high school class. You can. You sign up for it. You tell Aspiring Heights Academy, I signed up my, middle schooler to do a high school class. I understand that. And they are, academically ready and mature enough for this class, and then they would prove it and you go forward. So again, if you have that gifted student or really student who's encouraged to accelerate and to do school maybe faster than normal, again, this is a great option. But there are other options out there. Type in Florida private schools, or go to the FLDOE website. FLDOE, go to schools, go to school choices, and in there is the private school listing link to the directory. All right, good luck. My best to you for the 2021 school year. We have no idea what that's going to look like, but I feel at peace with my choice, and I hope you do too. Do pick whatever it is, whatever it may be. Bless you. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.